Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we take a deep dive into the most exciting and high-quality products available online. Today, we're talking about what is arguably the best model train locomotive collectible set on the market right now. The Reobrix Steam Train Building Block Set, Model 66801. If you're a fan of classic locomotives, premium design, and immersive building experiences, then stick around. You're in for a treat. Let's start with what makes this set so special. The Reobrix 66801 is not just a toy. It's a masterpiece of vintage engineering recreated in building block form. With over 1546 precision-molded pieces, this model captures the essence of the iconic 1963 Pacific locomotive, known for its powerful form and timeless design. Every detail on this train echoes the golden era of railroads, and you can feel the nostalgia from the moment you open the box. Speaking of which, Reobrix hasn't skimped on the presentation. The set comes in a customized gift box, complete with deluxe instruction manuals that guide you smoothly through each modular assembly step. This makes the build enjoyable even for beginners, while still offering challenges for seasoned builders. It's intended for ages 14 and up, making it a perfect gift for teens and adults alike, especially those with a passion for railroads or mechanical design. But the Reobrix steam train is more than just looks. This set is all about hands-on experience. You'll connect the carriages using working hooks, navigate intricate inner mechanical sections, and piece together realistic interior compartments. There's also a sturdy track base that elevates the whole model into a dynamic desktop display. It even includes a custom scene backdrop, turning your finished build into a miniature railroad diorama, ready to be the centerpiece of any collector's shelf or workstation. The materials used here deserve a special mention. Reobrix opted for high-grade fiber-reinforced plastics and epoxy alloys, ensuring that once assembled, your model has serious staying power. It's durable, with crisp, clean lines and a surprisingly weighty, premium feel. This isn't the kind of model that falls apart if you move it. It's something you'll proudly display and probably show off. And let's not forget the scale. At over 22 inches in length, this model has presence. It's long enough to showcase the full span of a historic steam engine, from the driver's cab to the final car. There's something immensely satisfying about seeing it all come together, from scattered blocks to a full-fledged, gleaming steam locomotive. If you're shopping for a holiday gift, birthday surprise, or simply treating yourself, this is a model that delivers both creative satisfaction and display value. Whether you're a lifelong train enthusiast, a fan of mechanical models, or a collector of unique adult building sets, this ticks every box. It's not just a standalone item. Reobrix also offers other models in this line, like the BR101 and BR15000, each with their own unique design and part count, letting you expand your collection and build an entire railway history in block form. To wrap it all up, the Reobrix Steam Train 66801 isn't just a building set, it's a journey. A nostalgic, beautifully designed, skillfully engineered experience that pays homage to one of the most iconic eras in rail history. Whether you build it solo or as a project with someone special, the result is the same: a stunning piece of craftsmanship that you'll be proud to showcase. If you like this review and want more deep dives into premium products like this one, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Product Critique, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.